So now coming lesson number 2. In lecture 1, I told you that I will explain. I will continue this question only. So we know length, breadth, and height. Now we have to find volume. So length is given 22.5 centimeter, breadth is given 10 centimeter, height is given 7.5 centimeter. So first we have to find this volume. Okay. So let it do simply 10 and this will remove 10. So see, from this 10 gone. 5 times 2 10, 5 times 4 20, to 5 times 5 25. Okay. I think now we cannot cross it. So now here what we will do, we will just multiply. Okay. Okay, 45 into 75. 5 times 5 25, 5 times 4 22, 7 5 35 2, 7 times 4 28, 3 31. So 5 7 3 3. So 3 3 7 5 by 2. So 2 times 1 2, 1 3, 2 times 6 12, 1 7 2 8 16, 1 5 2 7 14, 1 0. So this will be 1687 decimal 5 centimeter cube. Now you have to find a space. So the space occupied by 1000 bricks. Okay. So you have to multiply the 1687 decimal 5 into 1000. Now remove this decimal, 10 will come from 10 to 110 will go. So answer will be how much space it has occupied. So it has occupied 1687 500 centimeter cube. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 16,87,500 centimeter cube space it has taken. Okay. So you just take the screenshot. I will move to example number 4. So now come to example number 4. The side of a cube is 9 centimeter. Find its volume. Okay, side is given. You have to find its volume. So side is given 9 centimeter. For volume of cube is what? Formula is volume of cube is side cube, means in this side you will keep 9 and this cube will be outside. Now multiply this 9 3 times. This 9 cube means 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 into 9 81 and 81 into 9 729 centimeter cube will be answer. Okay. So now we move to example number 5. Find the, see, very easy. Side is given. We have to put the formula of volume of cube. Now volume of cube formula is side cube. Side means in the bracket side, you know 9, you have to put 9, and this cube means that we have to multiply this 9 3 times. 9 into 9 81 and 81 into 9 729. Like in the square, what happens if it is 9 and it is 2? 9 square means you have to multiply that 9 with 2 times. If it is 4, then you have to multiply this 9 into 9 81 into 9 729 and again into 9. Okay, if this shows that whatever number is there in bracket, that you have to multiply that. Example 5 is find the volume of a cube whose age is 1.3 meter. Okay, now see, age means also same thing. Age means also side and side means age. So age is given, age of the cube is given 1.3 meter. You have to find volume of the cube. Okay, so volume of the cube, this side cube, I can write it age cube also. both are same. Age cube, it means 1.3 cube. It means 1.3 into 1.3 into 1.3. Okay. Now multiply. When you will multiply, you will get 2.197 meter cube. 2.197 meter cube. When you will multiply this, you will get 2.197 meter cube. Okay. Now after that, I will move to last example, example number 6, and with this volume, whatever the portion which is based upon volume of cube and provide will complete. And with the help of this question, you can easily solve exercise 51. And after that, we will see next chapter. Now I am going to explain example number 6. So now come to example number 6. The age of a cubical water tank is 17.5 meter. Okay, so how much water will it contain when filled up to brim? Means there is a water tank is there. Now this much water, the air is age, the cubical tank is this much. Now how much water will it contain when it is filled till top, till brim? Means see, because age it contains till here, and when you will go up to the water tank, that age will be small. So question is, when it will come to the brim, how much water it will contain? Okay. So we know that age of the tank is given. Age of the tank is given 17.5 meter. So volume of the tank will be H cube, means 17.5 meter. You can write cube, means 17.5 meter into 17.5 meter into 17.5 meter. Now when you will multiply, you will get 5359.375 meter cube. Okay, so when you will multiply, you will get 55,359.375 meter cube. Now question is that you have to find the volume of water. So therefore, volume of water in the tank is 5,359.375 meter cube is your final answer. So whatever I have explained in example in lecture number 1 and lecture number 2, with the help of these all 6 example, I hope you can solve exercise 51 easily. Okay, now whenever you solve such a word problem question, please do not forget to write this all statement. Do not go for shortcut. You have to write all the statement, then you have to solve that question. This I am telling you from I think when you were in this when the class is going on also, when you were in the stand up for also this thing I used to tell you. So do not forget to write this statement. Okay. Now in next classes I will start chapter 15, that is commercial mathematics. So for now, goodbye to all of you.